Hey friends, I hope you're having a good day. So today I'm going to do another pixie cut style, and I am going to use a flat iron today and try to get some kind of very gentle beachy waves. So we're gonna see how that works. And I just got out of the shower, so my hair is just freshly washed. By the way, I have to tell you about a new shampoo and conditioner. I just recently bought at Ulta about 2 weeks ago, and I am in love with it. This is called NatureLab Tokyo, and the bottles are so cute. Aren't they cute? I got the Perfect Volume shampoo and the Perfect Volume conditioner, and the smell is just wonderful. It's a rice protein enhanced shampoo, builds full-bodied rebellious volume, and the conditioner is the perfect balance of a major moisture conditioner and a blowout volume enhancer. So this is a really cool brand, and I love the packaging and I love the product. My hair feels absolutely luscious the last few weeks. Been washing with it every time I wash my hair, and I love it, so I wanted to share that with you. Anyways, let's get started. Since I'm gonna do a heat style today, anytime I do flat iron or curling, I like to do hairspray before I do that. It's also good to put some kind of styling foam in your hair, so I'm gonna use this Frieda Frizz Ease styling foam, and this is air dry waves. Even though I'm not air drying my hair, this is a great product for getting a little bit of product on your hair so that it makes it easier to style with heat. So I'm going to get a little bit of this, get it all through my hair, all the way to my tips. What you don't want is all the product just in one spot, so it's got to be really dispersed through the hair here. Okay, now I'm not going for anything in particular. Like, I'm not gonna blow dry my hair with a brush, I'm gonna just use my fingers. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair now, use my fingers, not a brush, and try to make sure that the volume kind of sticks in my hair. So I'll be doing a lot of scrunching, moving my hair around while it dries. All right, here goes. So it's nicely dried. I have some pieces that seem to be sticking up right now, but that's okay. I am going to comb my hair out, a real good comb out. My hair always just wants to go this way. My hair feels like it's getting long again, and it's been 4 weeks since I got my hair cut. So as always with the pixie cut, I'm always looking forward to the next cut. Are you guys like that? I am so addicted to getting haircuts at the salon. It's just like one of my absolute favorite things to do. And I know it's been a little rough during this whole last year and a half, 2 years of the pandemic, but thankfully I've been able to go back. Hopefully many of you have too. For the last 3 haircuts, I've been able to go back to the salon, and it is nice. I was actually looking at pictures online to see like what should my next haircut be, and I found a really cute haircut that is over the ears. So it's like short on the sides and it's a lot shorter on top. I'm considering kind of getting a shorter pixie on this next cut. So what do you think? If you have any opinions about how I should get my hair cut next, comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I take a lot of tips from my subscribers and folks that comment on my videos, so I'm always interested in the products you guys are interested in the hairstyles you're interested in. So yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, so my hair feels really good right now. It's nicely dried, but I'm gonna do a really quick spray all around with some hairspray. And today I am going to use this Kenra volume spray. This is a super hold finishing spray, and this is number 25. I like Kenra products a lot. I've used several different kinds, some of their taffies, and their hairspray is pretty good. It's not as fine of a mist as some of the other hairsprays I've used. It has a thicker mist, but it's really, really good for volume. So I'm gonna give this a really good spray all around. And I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna lift my hair up and spray into the roots a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. Just kind of work it in there. I feel like I just rediscovered hairspray. I mean, I've been using hairspray since the 80s, and my goodness, if you get some good hairspray, it's really magical for your style. It's pretty amazing. Lately, I'm on a kick about hairsprays. So I've tried 3 different kinds recently. My personal favorite so far is actually not the Kenra. It actually is the Redken Triple Take 32. Love this hairspray, but I feel like I've been ignoring this hairspray. That's why I'm like trying to start using it to see how I really like it. I really noticed the difference between these two as far as like the droplets. This is such a fine spray, but you know, every brand is different, so you gotta kind of see what you like and what works for your hair. All right, so I feel pretty good about this. I'm gonna actually do another very loose comb through, which is fine because it's not getting rid of the product. I just don't want it to be chunky. I find that combs like this work really well after you've sprayed your hair and you want to comb through it. Okay, so I'm taking out my old faithful Chi flat iron. I've had this for years. I'm trying to think of when I got this. It doesn't look like this anymore, but good quality flat iron. They are a little pricey, I believe around a couple $100. And if this has lasted me 10 years, I know it's a good brand. All right, here goes. So what I'm gonna do is take a chunk and I'm going to kind of go like that. I'm gonna kind of rotate the flat iron as I'm going through that segment of hair. So it's like you rotate it, and then when you get to the edge, you go flat. So let's do that on a couple. You don't need to be super precise here. You can use your fingers to grab the pieces of hair. Let's get some of these back pieces. And you don't actually have to be really quick. You can actually go pretty slow. These do get pretty hot, but you're not leaving it on your hair that long. I've previously done some videos on pencil flat irons, and pencil flat irons can get really tight little curls. That's why I do go back to using some of the bigger flat irons, because you might not want your hair extremely curly. Okay, I'm gonna turn around and let you watch me do this in the back, which I'm doing it pretty blind here. Okay, I'm happy how this is going. The other thing I wanted to mention is if you want your bangs flat, you don't have to curl every little spot, because I'm not looking for an ultra curly style. Like if you just wanted your bangs straight, you could actually just flat iron these, and I think I might just do that because I think that would look really cute. Sometimes you can use a comb when you're doing the straight thing to help you grab the hair. All right, I think I am ready to style this. Okay, so I am going to use this American Crew pomade. I like pulling out all the different pomades I have. I haven't used this one in quite a while, but this one I know for a fact you have to use just a little tiny bit, otherwise your hair will feel kind of gross. I'm gonna just get a little tiny bit on my fingers here, about that much. So your fingers just feel slightly tacky, and this is where you can start playing with your hair now. So I think I mentioned this a while back, but we are about to get fall weather here. I live in Northwest Arkansas, and it has been hot. Like, we had a few warmer days. I think the last 3 weeks have just been mostly hot during the day. We had a few cooler days, but it just felt like it just got hot again. And this week, I think the highs are gonna be in the 70s. Super excited for those cool temperatures. I think I've told you guys about my work, but I work remotely and on my computer all day, and I am in meetings, sometimes 6 or 7 hours of meetings, and they're all on video. Lately, what I've been doing, I'm trying to will fall into motion, and so I've been wearing sweaters. We keep our house pretty cold, actually, so wearing a sweater in my house is not a big deal, but I've just been wearing sweaters every day, like just hoping the weather's gonna get cool. All right, I am liking this. So I think I'm ready to start spraying a little bit, even though I've already sprayed once. I want to start spraying just a tiny bit, just to do some little detail work here on my hair. I'm gonna use the same hairspray here. And this time I'm gonna reach much further back. I don't want a really strong spray. I'm going big today, I think. Can you guys tell? I love this haircut because it's got these little wispy You can do so much with sideburns if you have sideburns. That's why I'm on the fence for getting my hair cut above my ears, because I won't have this anymore, but they're so cute. I'll have to show you guys a picture of what I'm thinking of. Pretty sure I'm done. I think I've messed with this enough. So the question is, like, what do you do with the bangs? You can leave them straight down. I'm not sure that looks great. You can push them over like this, which I usually do. This is pretty much a normal style for me. Or you could use that flat iron and get them curled under. I'm trying to decide if I want to do anything different. I might actually want to do that. That kind of looks cute. All right, let's try this. You can get a pretty tight curl with a flat iron, by the way. You saw what I just did there. And of course, my hair is curling much better that I just sprayed the heck out of it. I don't know about you guys, but I get to where I start messing with my hair and then I'll just keep messing with it, and it goes through like 5 different styles as I'm styling my hair. Let's do something with these wispies and kind of curl them in. I love that. Again, I feel like this cut is pretty vintage because every time I do a style, I'm like, oh, that looks so vintage. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend and week ahead. I hope you are safe and well. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. We'll see you next time.